Axe, you're gonna do great.
Of course I am.
Alright. So the product is called Energon O's.
They're not even O's. They're miniature energon cubules.
Yeah. So when I say action, you're gonna say your lines, and then you're gonna take
Don't tell me what to do, fleshling. Megatron takes orders from no one.
Okay, sure. Whenever you're ready, Mr. Megatron.
Watch me put Prime's performance to shame, Starscream. Hello, miserable people of Earth. I am Megatron. And just as much as I crave ultimate power, I crave Energon cereal. And unlike that pathetic excuse for a robot Optimus Prime, I have a mouth.
Aw, shut up.
And I can eat this wretched Earth feed just like this. Watch.
What's wrong, mighty Megatron?
Tastes like shit. This isn't even real energon.
Welcome to Hollywood, Megatron.
Shut up.
I think that was, good, Mr. Megatron. Can we, try it again? For safety.
Fine.
Okay, great. Now, let's just reset that box if we could, and Mr. Megatron, can we get rid of your arm gun thingy?
My fusion cannon?
Yeah, it's really getting in the way.
You're getting in the way, you obnoxious biological parasite!
Oh my god! No, I'm sorry!
Destroy them all, Megatron!
Greetings, Earth germs. I am Megatron, and I command you all to buy my Megatronos.
You're brilliant, Megatron.
Yes!